I'm Laurie March, Project Manager and Home Improvement Pro, and I'm on the road with Renewal by Andersen all across the country, meeting special folks and seeing their cool projects that open a window into the past and the future. I'm here in fabulous Las Vegas at the home of Jerry and Sandy. This is an entertainer's dream with skyline views of both the mountains and the Vegas Strip. People don't expect that Vegas is so much more past the Strip.
That's right.
Well,
it's
I
like a
told you.
regular place.
Yeah.
We retired in our early 50s and we decided, man, that's really too young to retire. Plus, we couldn't live the lifestyle that we really wanted to live.
Right.
So we went back into real estate for another 22 years and we decided this was the place to land.
But I always wanted a house with a view, so we drove up here, and as we drove into the neighborhood, I could see, boy, there's got to be some great views up here. And then she opened these doors for us, and I looked through and said, oh my God, that is the view. 180-degree unobstructed view of the valley. We bought this house because of this view, but they had windows that slide apart and screens and shutters.
And then I said, we gotta get rid of that.
So you took out the shutters, took off the screens. What was the thing that made you pick up the phone and call Renewal by Andersen?
They had a fabulous solution for us. It was 6x6 picture windows.
Yeah, heavy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anytime somebody new comes over, they walk in our door and they look at this, oh my God! But this is how we like it. And we do a tremendous amount of entertaining because it's our style.
Yeah. You like a full house?
Oh, I love it. Absolutely.
Because of all the musicians that I'm involved with, I have my own band.
So you've been playing for how long now?
65 years.
65 years.
In my early days, I played with lots of surf groups.
Surf culture was really cool.
It was free and open and no concerns or worries, and you could find it almost everywhere. It's a big part of our life. Home is where your love is, where your life is, where your family is, and your friends come.
And then you throw a hell of a party.
Yes.
Well, absolutely right.